What's the biggest operational pain when starting to sell on Amazon Canada?
It's definitely the registration, like registering a company. Most sellers think Amazon Canada is just another marketplace until they hit the import rules and the compliances. As I mentioned, this is where non-resident importer status become critical. We call that NRI. So NRI allows sellers to import into Canada without being a Canadian company, while keeping the buying experience simple for the customers. But there are new regulations that required companies start having CARM and RM accounts as well. So we help some sellers to ship the products on behalf of them. They don't need CARM or RM accounts. Forceget can be the import of record, but the custom is changing that. So you need to catch that. This is why CARM and RM account is crucial.
Contact us today and get $500 off your shipment.